Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG. Drive on a laptop. First, let's talk about what your laptop needs to run this incredibly realistic driving simulator. BeamNG. Drive is known for its soft body physics, which requires a good amount of processing power. You'll want a dedicated graphics card, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a quad-core processor or better to truly enjoy the experience. These specifications will help ensure smooth frame rates and detailed crash simulations. Once you have the game installed, optimizing your in-game settings is crucial for a great experience on a laptop. Start by reducing the overall graphics quality to normal or low. You can also significantly improve performance by limiting the number of AI vehicles on screen to just 1 or 2. Disabling dynamic reflections and shadows will also give you a noticeable boost in frame rates, making your crashes even more satisfying. To enhance your BeamNG Drive experience, consider some external peripherals. A good game controller, like an Xbox or PlayStation controller, provides much better control than a keyboard. Laptops can get quite warm during intense gaming, so a cooling pad is highly recommended to maintain performance and extend your laptop's lifespan. Always play with your laptop plugged into its power adapter to ensure it's running at its full potential. Even with the right setup, you might encounter occasional issues. Always keep your graphics drivers updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility and performance. If the game crashes or behaves unexpectedly, verifying the integrity of your game files through your game launcher can often resolve the problem. The BeamNG Drive community is incredibly active, offering a wealth of troubleshooting tips, custom vehicles, and new maps to keep your gameplay fresh and exciting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.